Is this recording?
Yes.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our vlog. This is Patricia.
Hi, I didn't see you there. This is my vlog. I'm Patricia. My makeup looks terrible.
Look at that girl.
What? Whoa. Introducing Amanda. Introducing Riley Skellen. Featuring his YouTube. Bottom follow, like, and subscribe. And Blue Skellen. She has an Instagram. She's gonna be featured down below. Follow her at Gold and Blue. Follow us around.
I'm embarrassed.
Claimed.
Hey, I think that's that might be that road.
Okay, Ryan, let us know where we're going. Where are we going?
Boca Grande.
Where's that?
Boca Grande.
And we know the whole lineup is just 30.
It's so pretty. Look at that water. We made it. Wow, look at that water. Diga para la cámara en inglés.
How are you, my friend? Estás romántica con tu mamá.
¿Qué hice con los niños? Ah, esta sí que...
Okay, that's cute.
Yeah.
There she goes. What's going on, everybody? My name is Riley Joseph Skellen. Today we are vlogging at the beach. This is Patricia Castlevia Skellen.
I'm not married.
Yes, you are. Sneezing POV. Sorry, I keep calling you by my last name. That's how much I love you.
Yeah, earlier you said Patricia Skellen here. I was like,
This is a
Look at Blue.
This is a proposal video. What do you have to say to the vlog?
Blue, look at the vlog.
Blue, Blue.
Tirarle foto.
It's so pretty. Look at how beautiful that looks.
Yeah, yeah.
You can see me.
You're recording?
It's so beautiful here. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look at this mansion behind me. Should I buy it? So pretty. We had so much fun and Blue is ready for bed. Such a beautiful night.
I make sure I got that. It was under a bunch of shit.
She's tired. We did a good job. Headed home. Look at that. How are you feeling? How was it?
I'm feeling great.
Monday, did you love it?
It was amazing.
Monday and I have the same story.
We have the same story.
It's like we planned it, but if we would have planned it, it wouldn't have been so close. Look at her.
Oh my god.
She's tired.
She's knocked out. Look at how pretty that is.
She's had enough.
It's been a beautiful night. That was literally, I needed that. That was amazing. We don't do that enough living here.